Namaste. India has its unity in diversity. Whenever there is a need, sharing at times of crisis, it's a value sown indeed. I am proud to be an Indian. On this occasion of Independence Day, let me take you all through glimpses of some facts. Why India is considered to be unique. Why India is incredible. In the field of mathematics, algebra, trigonometry, and calculus, all of them share their origin from India. Even the place value system and the decimal number system were from India. The value of pi was first calculated by the Indian mathematician Budhayana, and he explained us the concept of what is known as the Pythagorean theorem. It is a very beautiful and wonderful concept of maths. And he discovered this in 6th century, long before any European mathematician could. Even the quadratic equations were used by Sridharacharya in 11th century. 0, which is the main digit of maths. It was given by Aryabhatta. The human computer, Shakuntala Devi. She was given this title after she demonstrated the calculation of two 13-digit numbers, which were picked at random. She answered it correctly within 28 seconds. Now let's come on to the field of science. Ayurveda is the earliest school of medicine known to mankind. It was gifted by India. Father of medicine, Charka, consolidated Ayurveda 2500 years back. Water on moon was discovered by India in September 2009. India's ISRO Chandrayaan-1 used moon numerology mapper to detect H2O or water on moon for the first time. Bhaskaracharya rightly calculated the time taken by Earth to orbit around the Sun hundreds of years before any other astronomer could do. According to him, the time taken of revolution of Earth was 365.258756484 days. Do you know that the Bandra-Worli Sea Link in Mumbai has steel wires equal to the circumference of Earth? Each cable is capable of holding 900 tons of weight. The entire establishment's weight is equivalent to that of 5,000 African elephants. The Belay Bridge is the highest bridge of the world, which is present in the Ladakh Valley between Dras and Sulu rivers, built in the Himalayan mountains. It was built by the Indian Army in August 1982. World's only floating post office is present in the Dal Lake of Srinagar. The highest motorable road in the world greets you at Ladakh at elevation over 19,300 feet. In the field of sports, chess and snakes and ladders are considered to be very interesting games. Both of them were from India. Martial arts was first created in India and then it later spread to Asia by Buddhist ministries. Yoga. Yoga has its origin in India and has existed over 5,000 years. Now it is practiced all over the world. The Indian national Kabaddi team has won all the World Cups held up till date, no matter if it is 5 men's Kabaddi World Cup team or the Indian women team. India has never invaded any country in her last 1 lakh years of history, so it is a very peace-loving country. 5,000 years old Varanasi is one of the oldest inhabited places in the world. World's highest cricket ground is present in Chail of Himachal Pradesh in India. It was built in 1893 after leveling a hilltop. The cricket pitch is 2,444 meter above the sea level. Until 1896, India was the only source of diamond in the world. The Statue of Unity is the tallest statue of the world. It is 182 meter in height. It is a colossal statue of the Indian statesman and independence activist Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. India is the largest milk producing country, reaching 155.5 million tons in 2015. That's why I suppose it is the only country with the Bill of Rights of Cow. The world's first hospital train, which was the Jeevan Rekha Express or the Lifeline Express, was also from India. India is the largest democracy of the world, the seventh largest country of the world, the second most populated country of the world, one of the most ancient civilizations. Do you know that Mahan Bharat Das is considered to be the most privileged voter? He lives in a small hamlet called Banejan in the middle of Gir forest of Gujarat. The setting is made up such that it is in a very isolated area, but he wanted to give vote. So there was a particular polling booth which was made for him. So this reflects the democratic spirit of the nation. All I would say, I am really fortunate to be born on the great land. I am really glad to be a part of this legendary sand. Happy Independence Day to all of you. Vande Mataram and thank you.